Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this Gucci lace nail design. The first thing you're going to do is file your nails. I've already shaped my nails into a square coffin shape, but I'm going to file them again just to make them more defined. Next, you're going to apply a base coat. I'm using a gel base coat, but if you're using regular nail polish, you're obviously going to use a regular base coat. Be sure to cap the free edge and the side edges as well to prevent your polish from peeling or chipping. Since I'm using gel, I'm going to cure it using an LED nail lamp, and the one that I'm using is from the brand Gelish that I got from Sally Beauty. I went ahead and applied another layer of my base coat since we're going for a sheer look. You don't have to do this, it's just a personal preference. Next, you're going to mix black polish with clear polish. You can either use a base or a top coat. Here I'm just using the same base coat as the previous step. You're going to mix it until you get your desired level of sheerness. Using a flat square brush, you're going to apply the first layer of the polish you mixed. Don't worry if it gets on your cuticles or on your skin, you can always use an angled brush dipped in acetone to clean around it. But if you're using gel, make sure to clean up before you cure it. I went ahead and applied 2 more thin layers to get the sheerness that I want. So my phone ran out of space and stopped recording, but I went ahead and did several pairs of G's, so I'll show you how to do the last pair. We want the G's to be several millimeters apart from each other so that we get this diamond shape between them. You're going to paint the G's using a small detail brush, and I got mine from either eBay or Amazon. Using your small detail brush dipped in black polish, you're going to create the letter C. Then slightly drag the brush either inwards or outwards, depending on where you start, to create the letter G. Now we're going to draw the next G, but this time it's going to be rotated 180 degrees. The next step is to create the dots between the G's. You can either use a dotting tool or a bobby pin. We're then going to make 2 dots between each pair of G's that are diagonal from one another, again to outline that diamond shape that I mentioned earlier. The final step is to add your favorite top coat and cure it if you're using gel. And this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. You can also find me on Instagram at denasnails for more nail art. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!